Okay guys, now we're gonna make our hollow animal, or just a quick little one. So in talking about our hollow animal, these two are pretty decent examples. This body is hollow, but then the fins and the head and the tail are not hollow because they're not huge. This one, the body's hollow and then the head is solid, and then they covered up their bottom. They also covered up their bottom. You can leave like a little indentation there where it's hollow and it's like carved out, but we're not really carving. We're building it by using our fingers in a pinch technique. So I'll put those down. So we're gonna start off with about a half a piece of clay. This is a little bit smaller than a half. We'll give it some little baby wedging. And so pinch technique, rather than carving technique, you can do it the way we did our rattle just previously, how we had a pinch spot here and a pinch spot here, and you score and slip those pieces together and then it's hollow in the middle. Or you can simply pinch it like you're making a pinch pot and make it like an oblong shape, and then you can leave your bottom open like a finger puppet, or you can close off your bottom. So I guess I could show you both. So right now we'll make it like a tall, not a tall, little oval shaped animal, and shape it the way we want to. We'll take like a little piece and we'll add on, we'll start adding on our, like an ear or something over here. So anyway, I wanted to show you the bottom. So this bottom can stay open like this. It doesn't have to be closed off, and that could be your hollow animal. I'll show you how to add that on better in a second. Or you can completely close this off if you really wanted to have the bottom connected and just kind of smush it over like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, hopefully. So you could smush over your bottom, and now it's totally a hollow cavity, and then it would still look the same. So either way, whatever's easier for you. Although once you do have it completely sealed off, eventually you're gonna have to poke like one little hole for the air to release when we're firing it, so it doesn't create a lot of pressure and explode. So now that we have our cute little, it's gonna be maybe a penguin or something, I'm going to do the cheater way of scoring and slipping and just dip this in the water and smush it on. So you guys, if you have really fresh clay, if you want to get around the whole scoring and slipping, you have to make sure that you smooth this piece on really well before you move on. You can't leave it like that. You got to really take your tool and connect it all the way around, and then you can reform it how you want it to look. Otherwise, our pieces are likely to pop off in the kiln when they're fired if they're not attached properly. So that's like a pretty big beak we got going on there. And then you could carve your eyes, or add your wings, or add your feet, or maybe that's an ear. I don't know, it was supposed to be a penguin in my head, but. So anyway, hopefully that's like the gist of creating your little animal. And then yeah, it looks lumpy right now, but spend another 5-10 minutes on it. It'll look really nice and clean and beautiful. Is that a nose? An ear? Who knows, man? Well, keep adding more stuff and it'll just be a funky little animal. It's a beak. Kinda. Alright, we're good.